If you are running a small business, getting paid properly starts with one simple thing, a professional invoice. So today let's see how to create invoice for small businesses. You can use free tools like Google Docs or Excel, but in this video we'll try something made just for this, which is Zoho Invoice. It's clean, simple and free for small businesses. So first of all, go to your browser and search here Zoho Invoice and open this website, which is zoho.com invoice. So we need to open it right here and then sign up here with your credentials, like enter your company name, phone number, email address and password, and accept these conditions and create a free account. I want to go with my Google account, so I need to select Google here. Then select your Google account, and just like that our free account will be created on Zoho Invoice. Once you are on your dashboard, click on the settings icon here from the top right corner, then click on organization profile, and here we need to enter all the organization details for our business, like our business name, business type, industry, and all the details we need to enter here. So fill all the details carefully. Once you fill all your details, then hit save. If you want to have your website logo or your business logo on your invoice, then for that we need to click on upload your organization logo. But before that, make sure that your file size is 240 by 240 pixels, and this is the file size limit you can upload for your logo. Currently I don't have my logo, that's why I need to go back from here. So once you fill all your organization profile details, now it's time for choosing our invoice template. For that, click on this gear icon again, and this time we need to click on PDF templates, and here we can click on new template. As you can see, this is the invoice template currently I am using for my all invoices, and now I want to change it to something else. For that, click on new template, and here you will see all of the invoice template you can use for your invoices. So let's say I like this template, then for that I need to click on use this. Now select your language and again click on use this. Now it will take you to the template editor. From here we can choose our color theme, like if you want to go with this white and blue, then select that, and then that theme will be applied on your template. And you can refresh your preview by tapping on the refresh preview here. You can also edit all of the fonts and text here from this left panel, like you can choose your template name, paper size, orientation, margin, and all of these things. Like if you want to change your font, then click on font and select the font you want to have. You can also change your font color and all. You can also select this section called header and footer, transaction details, table and all. So basically you can edit all of your template settings from this left panel. Once you are happy with your template, then tap on save, and then your template will be saved on your Zoho invoice. As you can see, this was the template. Now I want to use it. For that, tap on this gear icon, and now we need to click on set as default, and now this template will be used for all of my invoices. Now to create an invoice, firstly we need to go back from here, and once you are on your dashboard, click on invoices, and here we need to click on new invoice. Now under it we need to fill all the sales details like customer name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, quantity and product details. So that's why we need to firstly select our customer. So my customer is new customer, that's why I need to select new customer here. Then enter all the customer details like his customer type, primary contact like such as Mr. Rahul. So let's say his name is Rahul, so I need to enter it here. Then choose his company name, display name, so I want to name it Mr. Rahul, and choose your currency, email address, so that he can get his invoices on email address. Now once you fill all your details, tap on save to save changes, and now we need to add our item details now. So for that we need to go to the item table, and under it select your product. If you don't added your product yet, then for that click on add new item, and from here we need to enter our item details like its name, unit, HSN code and all. Once you add your item details, then tap on save. So I have already added my product here, which is charger, so I need to select it, and now you can see the charger has been already added here, and all the tax details has been added as well. If you want to add multiple products, then for that again repeat the same procedure for adding multiple products. But if you want to add products in bulk, then for that click on add items in bulk, and then with that you can add products in bulk. I just want to add a single product, that's why I need to close this one. And now make sure to add a HSN code because it will be required for printing our invoice, and it must be 6 digit. Now scroll down to the bottom, and if you have received your payment, then check mark this option and choose the payment mode from which you received your payment. So I received my payment from cash, so I need to select it, then click on save and print, and now it will start printing your invoice. So you can choose the copies for your print. So I want to go with one copy and then hit print again, and now you can see this is the print I got for my invoice. So this was the template we used, and now to print it we need to click on print, and then you can choose your PDF format or anything you want. then click on print, and now it will be downloaded on your computer. Choose your invoice name and hit save. Now if I open my downloads location, you can see the invoice has been successfully downloaded on my computer as well. In case you want to send your invoice to your customer, then for that click on send, then click on send email, and under it we need to enter our customer email address to send him an invoice. But I have already added the email address on my customer details, that's why I don't need to add his email address manually. And now to send him, we need to click on send from bottom, and that's how you can send your invoice or create an invoice for your small businesses. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.